Hi guys, it's Wes from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change phone number in Gmail account. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to change phone number in Gmail account. So let's get started. So guys, to change phone number in Gmail account, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. So guys, this is our Google homepage. So to change phone number, you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on it. Now in this option, you can see the option of manage your Google account. So click on manage your Google account. So here you can see some options: home, personal info, data and privacy, security, people and sharing, payment and subscriptions, and about. So here we need the option security. Now in security, scroll down. So here you can see the option of recovery phone. So currently I have not added any phone number here. So simply click on it. Now enter here your password. So guys, to add recovery phone, here you can see the option of add recovery phone. So simply click on it. Now from here you can select your region. So I'm selecting here Pakistan. Now enter here your phone number. Then simply click on next. So guys, here you can see written to make sure that this number is yours. Google will send you a verification code, standard rate apply. So simply click on get code. Now enter the code here, send it to your phone number and simply click on verify. So guys, here you can see your phone number is added here. Now again click on account option. Click on manage your Google account. Click on security. So from here you can change phone number in Gmail account. So to change phone number, simply click on it. Now enter here your password. Click on next. So here you can see this pencil icon here. So simply click on this pencil icon and from here you can easily edit your phone number. So guys, here you can see we have changed phone number in Gmail account. So you can also change phone number in Gmail account by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.